The fader bank scheme on TouchMix-30 Pro is great. It's practical and laid out in a linear fashion, which makes it very easy to navigate between the different banks of faders on your screen. But what if you wanted to change which faders were presented to you within a certain bank? Maybe you're only using a couple of input channels, but also need access to an effects fader or DCA or subgroup faders. In this video, we're going to show you how to use custom fader banks on the TouchMix-30 Pro to get the most show-critical channels of your application in a single bank. Before we continue, make sure your TouchMix is using firmware version 2.0 or later. If you need some more information on updating the firmware, I recommend watching our How to Update Your Firmware video. You can find the link in the description. To create a custom fader bank, first press the menu button. Now, select Custom Banks under the Setup section. From this screen, you can choose one of 3 banks to customize at the top of the screen. It's a good idea to give the custom bank a name to help stay organized and avoid confusion. Once the bank is selected and named, press one of the 8 available fader buttons. Now, assign which channel you want that fader to represent using the assignment buttons below. Once you've made your assignments, the change is effective immediately. To use your new custom fader bank, press the Home button to return to the main faders, and press the Custom Faders button in the upper left-hand corner. You will see the faders rearrange according to the assignments you have selected. The custom bank name is also displayed above the bank navigation button at the top of the screen. Pressing the Custom Faders button again will return the bank to its default setup. You can toggle back and forth between the default and custom banks as desired. And that's it! It's that simple. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you next time.